tighter defense for San Miguel. Talk to us, ano lang yung naging mensahe ngayong Game 6, and it seems like it was a masterful performance from the get.
Well, it's very obvious naman that players don't want to lose this game because they don't want to have another game on Wednesday. And it's very evident if you will take a look at the stats. So this is the second time, last game of the day, we never give up a positive points to our opponent. And then the second chance points is only 6. Unlike before nung game 4, talagang 22 positive points and 29 second chance points. So it's hard to beat an opponent if you give up a lot of points from them easily. But tonight's game is really amazing for the players because from the start to finish, talaga yung pinakita nila what's the character of the team. Although we have a good start and then naka-recover, the composure ng player talaga nandun, hindi nawawala because of their experience, especially in this time of situation, a championship game. And of course, I would like also to congratulate Talk and Tex for bringing out the best in us. Both teams deserving to win a championship, but we're more lucky. And I think the experience of the players, yun ang makakapagsabi kung bakit kami nananalo dito sa All-Filipino Championship. It's a lot of prestige. And wala akong masabi dahil alam nila kung anong sitwasyon meron kami, especially when it comes to All-Filipino Cup.
Coach, nung kasi ganda nung start mo kasi nabol yun ng TNC, ano lang yung sinabi mo na nag-start dun sa kung ka na-maintain yung lead eventually?
Yeah, we have to go back to the basic, ginagawa namin, especially sa defense. And then umabot sila, and then they cut it down to 2 points. But I told them na we're still leading. And we have to regroup. And then, ayun, nakita natin talagang na-strengthen ulit yung defense namin. And that causes a lot of turnovers for our opponents. And we're able to stop Calvin Octana. It is the character of the player, especially Chris Ross. Sininggle-handed niya si Octana, because alam natin Chris Ross, every time in the playoffs, especially in the finals, you can rely on him, especially in defense, and that's what happened.
Dominate ka na yung third or fourth, ano lang yung nangyari, ano na lang naging laro mo ka?
Kailangan manalo. Kailangan i-din. Makita ko yung mga teammates ko kung gano'n sila porsigido manalo. So, syempre, isa ko sa mga leader ng team sila na pakita na gano'n din ako. Gusto ko rin manalo. So, thankful ako na coach, sa lahat ng mga coaching staff, sa mga teammates ko. Yung determination namin na makuha yung game na to. So, nandun. So, good thing na namin, nakuha namin.
Gusto yung tuhod mo kanina?
Okay naman. Di ko na inihinda yung tuhod ko kasi game 6 na. So, gusto namin matapos yung series. Oo nga, syempre, isang karangalan ng makakuha ng championship, tapos finals MVP, si Don Roman pa yung nagbigay ng finals MVP tapos sa kanya pa ito nakapangalan. So, isang karangalan, for sure nasa taas ng trophy case.
Coach, look back lang sa conference nyo, halos ano mga challenges na hinarap nyo kasi kung titignan, ang dami nyo kasing heavyweight game masasabi mong naging ano, yung parang obstacle nyo for this conference?
Yeah, before the start of the conference, we've got into the basic principles of defense and offense. Dahil alam ko na there are a lot of teams na getting better and better. So we have to rely on defense. And if you notice, guys, we play a good defense tonight and the other night, because we just give up 7 points and 82 points. Considering our opponent is one of the top teams in terms of scoring. And talagang yung team namin ayaw magpatalo. And every day, so we have to keep on improving. And don't be contented of what we achieve after losing the first 2 games in the elimination. And I think it's a lesson for us yung 2 games because we lost in that 2 games because we're too complacent after winning All Filipino Cup. They thought na it's easy to win again, but it's a wake-up call for us. And then our target is first is to get into the top 4, which is happen easily after winning a lot of games against those top teams. And going to the playoffs, alam nila na we have to play harder and mindset nila iba dahil alam nila ang glory of winning a championship.
Coach, ano naman masabi sa professionalism ni Jumar? Alam mo natin since dalawang balikat niya, nag-problema, tapos yung tuhod naman niya ngayong finals, hindi nag-deliver points.
Actually, not only Junmar. Most of the players may mga naramdaman si Chris Ross, and then si Rodney, and si Jericho, meron silang iniinda. But knowing Junmar, since first championship, may injury siya, wala pipilitin yan. Especially sina Chris Ross, sabi nila, this is hindi na kailangan pakawalan ito. This is an opportunity na talagang it will not happen again and again, so take advantage of it. And then si Junmar talagang especially nung last game namin, talagang I'm really afraid, kinabahan ako doon, but when I look at him and then I saw a thumb up and then he said, okay, I'm okay. That's why that game 12 minutes siya nakaupo. But I'm happy for the team because na-sustain yung lead. And then pagpasok ni Junmar, so that's it. It's finished na dahil siyempre na-sustain ulit yung yung firepower ng team.
Si Pops talaga nagpilit sa akin na, Junmar, ulitin mo maglaro. Ay, siya.
Jumar, kanina medyo natatawa ka nung sila yung possible sa bawat po yung mga adversities. Parang ano ba yung mga adversities conference?
Marami Pero ayun nga, alam namin yung culture ng San Miguel, alam namin yung ways ng San Miguel. Before pa kami dumating dito sa San Miguel, alam na namin yung legacy ng San Miguel. So, nandito kami para to continue and winning ways ng San Miguel, to represent San Miguel lalo na sa finals. So, syempre, isang karakada na maglaro dito sa San Miguel. So, yun.
Leo, next month pa yung next conference, medyo matagal yung break, pero looking forward to it. Start na pa kayo? Or...
Actually, bukas mayroon na kami schedule ng practice. Na-joke lang, Of course,
Uuwi na ako si Bunga ngayon.
Actually, yan ang dinima ko as a coach, ganyan. Dahil, siyempre, after the championship, gusto lahat nila ma-enjoy yung championship. And then pupunta sa kanilang pamilya, kung nasa probinsya, yung iba nag-out of town, out of the country. But I will remind them na March 11 is the opening of the next conference, and we're always have the target on our back of the head dahil of course every team, whether na yung number 11, number 12 gayon, pagkakalaban kami, they are always prepared, and we have to be ready next time around, dahil it's always like that. Nag-i-struggle kami pagdating na ng opening ng tournament.
Coach, lagi mo sinasabi na lagi kang pinagmumukhang magaling ng mga players mo, pero ano masasabi mo kasi pag ikaw yung coach ng San Miguel, undefeated pa rin kayo sa Philippine Cup Finals?
Hindi, magaling talaga si Coach Leo. Isa siya sa pinakamagaling na coach sa PBA. Hindi lang siya nabibigyan ng siya ng credit. Pati nga siya, sobrang humble niya. Pero ako na magsasabi sa inyo, magaling si Coach. Magaling siya na coach. Siya yung dahilan kaya nananalo ng championship ng San Miguel.
Yung ba't magaling si Coach Leo? Pwede mo bang i-elaborate ano ba yung mga
Kaya-
nagawa niya?
Kaya magaling ako dahil may Junmar ako eh.
Kasi
Si Junmar magaling dahil meron ako.
Minsan kasi pinapabayaan niya yung mga players na maglaro. So, ayun, nailalabas ng mga players yung game nila. But at the same time, compose siya. So, and then, nagsastart yan sa practice. So, tapos nadidisiplina niya kami.
Coach, gano'n na kayo inspired itong championship na tawagin yung Commissioner's Cup? Kasi ano naman natin last year, medyo
Yeah, sometimes it will depend on the kind of import na makukuha mo eh. Dahil pagkuha ng import, swerte din eh. And I hope na this coming conference, mag-fit yung yung kinukuha namin import. But until now, wala pa kami nasa-sign up na import And then siguro, after a few days, wala muna akong bakasyon dahil talagang alam ko, hahanapin ako ng management regarding the import And it is a job full year round ito But I'm so happy to have this last two championship and then the support of management is really always there Especially Boss RSA, minsan tumatawag siya sa akin, pinapupunta niya ako sa office kung anong pwedeng gawin. And then siyempre, ganun din siya si Coach Sal. Pagka nag-start yung finals, almost every day nasa practice namin siya.
Coach Benny both right
Benny both right, we keep on contacting him, may communication kami. But the problem with him is his last game in the elimination in Korea will last this coming April 8. So mag-umpis tayo March 11. So probably mamimiss niya yung at least 4 games. But we don't know yet. Baka mamaya bigla mag-opt out siya. So talagang kinakausap namin sila. But we're not sure kung siya talaga. But last time nakausap ng manager namin, sabi, he's so excited to come back to the San Miguel. But of course, may commitment yun sa kanya team.
Congratulations.
Coach.
Bye. 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 Bye.